I joined that particular mastery program from Be10x, which was referred by one of my friends. I learned like the introduction to the generation AI, completely generative AI, completely work with the application, how to give the prompts to those applications. And even after just a few sessions, I could see a very significant impact on my skills and strategic thinking, basically, which helped me accelerate my career growth. The work which I used to do completely, it reduced the time to certainly half or more than half completely.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another testimonial, and I have with me Mr. Tushar Gupta, and he wants to share his experience from the workshop. So from the mastery program, in fact. So over to you, Tushar. Let us know something about yourself.
Yeah. Hi, Antriksh. I'm Tushar Gupta. Basically, I have a total work ex of 13 years, a rich experience of 13 years as a business analyst. And right now, I'm working in Citibank as a business analyst, basically. So I used to, given that we have very fast-paced industry going up, so due to that, I was trying for some promotions, but I was not getting certainly because, as I said, we have very fast-paced industry. So in some of the other interviews, the interviewers ask generally about AI, what is Gen I, and do you have any experience as in working with AI in Excel or PowerPoint? This all things, and I was not aware at all about it. So one fine day, one of my friend reached out to me and he told me because he was also a student of 10x. So he referred me for 10x classes, the master program. So I joined that master program. And once I joined, it completely, changed my mindset and the way this guy's Mr. Kachave teach all the sessions, and he let us understand each and everything very finely, and we have like a doubt clearing session for the complete week as well. We can take out our time, we can learn at our own pace, and we can clear our doubts as well within that week. We used to have the classes over weekends. So it's a very flexible program which one can have, and the way, as I said, the way they teach is superb, and they have a very sound knowledge on the AI, and they teach different tools at all. It's very good,
So,
and yeah.
so like you must have purchased the workshop, right? And then you said that you got to know about it from your friend who was also a student, right? But like, what made you buy the mastery program? Like what made you purchase that?
Yeah, as I said that uh, in this fast-paced industry, uh, we we have to have the knowledge of the AI because these days everywhere it is AI. So in all my interviews, I used to face this kind of questions as well, and I used to get rejected due to that only because it's not like the BAU work, as in if the interview asks for the AI, I have no knowledge and they used to reject me. So triggered that triggered me to join something on which I can enhance my skill set and get the promotion or get to a new job. But eventually, I joined that particular mastery program from B10x, which was referred by one of my friends, and I took certainly like 4 to 5 sessions only. And in the initial sessions only, I learned like the introduction to the generation AI, completely generative AI, completely which makes me think the complete application which we have in this world, how to work with the application, how to give the prompts to those applications. So this all kind of things in a brief I learned about it, and even after just a few sessions, I could see a very significant impact on my skills and strategic thinking, basically, which helped me accelerate my career growth.
Right.
And post that, I gave one another interview, and I got selected for it just because of the questions which they have asked, and I was able to answer those questions.
Right. So that is fantastic. So that was gonna be my next question. That what is the exact achievement that you want to highlight and let all the new all the new course joiners, all the students know. So I think this is what you've just said. Can you just elaborate on it, like a bit on it?
Yeah, elaborate as in see. I was thinking I will get into the course completely as course was segregated to a complete like 3 to 4
Yeah.
months or 6 months. But I was expecting at least I will get into some of the training, some of the session, and then only I'll go for an interview or go for a new job. But after some sessions, only the initial sessions, I would say rather say those were like introduction to the generative
Yeah.
AI and introduction to all the AI application, how we should, give the prompts to those applications, how should we work with those applications, with the Excel specifically, because I used to work in Excel day in, day out, and the work which I used to do completely, it reduced the time to certainly half or more than half completely. So this all kind of achievement I got from the initial sessions as well, and top onto it, one of the opportunity come and I got interview for one of the role for assistant vice president AVP in my bank, which I work in Citibank basically. So they used to ask certainly some questions about the BAU things, as in day in day out work which I used to do. But top onto it, they have asked the questions on the AI part as well, as in what is Gen AI, do you know Copilot, and do you know how to integrate
Yeah.
certainly some functions in Excel. So
Yeah.
this kind of question. So initially, when I was not a part of this program, I was not able to answer those questions. But now, as I attended some of the initial session, I had a very fair idea about the prompts, about the application, about the Excel integration. So I gave all the answer, and fortunately I was selected for this role as a assistant vice president in Citibank. And
Right. That
and
is.
and and as a cherry on the top, I have received one of the gift which was committed by Be10x, and for that as well, in the pre workshop which was happened for this particular mastery class, they have Mr. Kachave have told us that it is one of the offer that the early gainer or the early
Yeah.
achiever will get that particular AirPod. So I would be very honest here, I didn't believe that completely, that I'll be getting that. But as I got the achievement, I sent an email to the support team, and I certainly got the airport within a day or two
Yeah.
after considering my profile. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that is a very good thing. I mean, they are very committed to each and everything.
Yeah. Yeah. See, I mean, no fake promises, no nothing. It was just our way
Yeah,
of just letting students know that
yeah,
if they're happy with the program and they've achieved something, we're more than happy to provide, because that again gives you that sense of boost that now you can do more and achieve more from it.
exactly,
So that was
exactly.
fantastic. So just coming to the end of it, is there any feedback that you'd like to give about the whole course, about the whole program? Any feedback, because we take our feedback seriously, so anything would
Yeah.
be appreciated.
See, I'm very much looking forward about this program, just
Yeah.
because within a few sessions, if I'm getting this thing, then I'm really looking forward to this course. As in, after completing this course, I
Yeah.
really it will be a very significant impact in my career growth as well, and everything. Given that we have a very fast-paced industry going on,
Yeah.
so I would rather suggest or give recommendation to each and every student who can join Gen AI, which can help them grow in their career.
Yeah. All right, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tushar.
Thanks,
It
Rishikesh.
was lovely talking to you and knowing your experience. We're very, very happy that you could crack any amount of job offers that you wanted to, and hopefully you can crack more and more and get that salary hike, get that boost that you want to. So thank you so much for sharing your experience. It was very valuable. Hopefully, we'll talk to you soon with some more positive
More
things.
achievements. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, absolutely.
definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank
Sure.
you so much.
Thanks, Rishikesh.